Roxy. Oh, Roxy. Oh, you're so cute. You're such a wet doggy.
Yes, she is.
Cute dog.
Thanks.
Who's a good boy? Yes, you are. Who's a good boy? Hey, you have more water? Who's a thirsty? Who's a thirsty boy? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Oh yeah, you like that? You like that? You like that? Who's a good boy? Alright. Oh, now you're gonna be following me. Are we gonna be best friends? What should I call you? Maybe I'll call you Brownie. Alright. Nope, I can't keep you. I can't keep you. Luna. Come here, Luna. 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 Luna, come here, girl. Come here, Luna. Come here, be a little whore. Oh, yes. Little whore. Who's a little whore? Yes, you are. How you doing? Oh, look, there's another one. Are you friend? This is Costa, our cute little puppy. We found Costa at Costa Rica. We don't know how old is she, but she's a very little cute dog, not even violent. Look at her, she's like barely nibbling on my hand. She's fairly young. Let's hope the neighbors that we gave her will give her a good home. Muy bonita. Muy bonita. Found a new place and I think they're doing really well.
Nah, Jackie's here.
You're missing them playing. Oh, and Luna comes over. Okay. Todo día jugar. Todo día jugar. Gracias.
He's gonna be happy.